All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with some pretty cool EDC. Right over here with me, I've got the Muyi Gaiwan here with me. This is the copper and cupronickel version, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this content that I'm bringing to you. Look at this, guys. I mean, this box is already super cool. Like, the artwork is just fantastic. Look at that. That's the food theme, of course. And this is the Gaiwan. They also do a spinner like that, but this is not this. Instead, this is the Gaiwan spinner, and it's just a fantastic one. So you are gonna see this Muyi titanium key that's gonna be needed to disassemble the thing, a sticker, and a spare bearing. Yeah, because this, and what else? A couple of stickers as well, like that. So and then you're gonna have of course this beautiful thing, which is gonna be sealed and vacuumed into a plastic bag, and you have this thing. I mean, this is amazing, guys. This is the Gaiwan spinner. It's inspired to like a hot pot, and it's a double spinner. So first of all, let's just quickly check the size on this guy. So the diameter on this one is going to be 1.63 inches, and the overall height, let's see, something like that, would be, yeah, 1.04 inches. Also, the weight is not gonna be super light, because this thing is heavy. There's many parts. We're gonna check it in a second, but check it out. 4.84 ounces. So yeah, it's not something super light. Let's just quickly do a size comparison up against some popular options. This is the AC/DC gamer clicker right over here, and a Mahjong slider right over there. Let me show you another Muyi piece. Actually, this is a beautiful, this is the capsule spinner. And since we're talking about Muyi, let me show you this Muyi Lauti collaboration. That's the chess series, and specifically that's the rook. Another popular option, armor slider. Look at that in the house. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Let me show you just another couple small pieces. Black mirror design. That's the telephone dial. What else do we have? Maki coin, just to give you an idea of the size. And what else? Just one more. Yes, this guy over here. This is the Maki also. That's the capsule spinner. So I think you get the idea of the size of this one, and let's get into the detail of what this is. This is a spinner. So I'm not a spinner guy. I have mainly sliders, clickers. I like fidget toys, EDC, mainly knives, but I would say I'm not like a spinner guy. In fact, I have this spinner, which is the Lauti Sam. I've got this Muyi spinner, which is the capsule spinner. And that's it. I don't have any other spinners. Like, I'm really poor on the spinner side of the EDC in collecting, but I couldn't pass on this one. This is incredible. It's a fantastic spinner. So basically you have this, the lid, which is spinning independently. And it's already, like, you can hold it like from top and bottom, and just hold the sides like that. And you're going to be able to spin the lid, the top, which is going to produce a sound. But we're going to chat about the sound in a second. Let's just first analyze the look of this guy, because you have the lid, let's say, but it's unhinged from the lid, which is actually spinning here. And then here you have just the base spinning, which you can spin independently from the lid, which, by the way, is just going to start spinning as well. But the bottom part is just solid with the top. So that's only one piece. I mean, different pieces, but just it's continuing, right? It's not spinning. You hold it like that, you spin the side, or you hold like that and hold the side, and you can spin the lid. So from a visual point of view, this is just glorious, gorgeously done, fantastically made. This is the copper, nickel, and copper version. There is also like a brass and steel version, which I have, and it's right here. So this is, I bought this as a set, a matching set, and the numbers on the boxes are matching. Like this is the 44, and that's 44 as well. Copper, cupro, brass, stainless steel. So it's a mix and match set, because you're going to have the copper nickel on this one, which is going to be resembling the steel on this one, and you're going to have the brass on this guy, which is going to kind of like go well with the copper from this one. So you can actually swap, you can mix and match the pieces in these two spinners and have one that is kind of be looking only whitish, and the other one is going to be, see, like a match of these two. So you can actually create 1, 2, 3, 4 different combination. We're just gonna keep this for now. And it's a great thing. It's not a cheap spinner, guys. This, I believe, they were going for like $450, the set of two. Very limited production. I think there's 99 only made of these guys, and the machining is just superb. It's just crazy. Like the heft of it, like the cure for the details is just outstanding. To fully appreciate the machining, I think we just need to disassemble this guy and just check, like, for example, this is just one piece, guys. This is one piece and has like a ceramic ball bearing. The other one has a stainless steel ball bearing. I don't know if you can appreciate the difference in color, but they're different. So you have one piece right here. You have the weight like on the bottom, which is this guy. Also another piece, and then you have this stuff which looks like stuck, but it's not. Let me see if I'm gonna need the, yeah, we're gonna need this key over here, which is which they provide nicely, because they are encouraging you to take this guy down, take it apart. So you can use it like that at an angle, like so, taking advantage of the longer side, and just spin this until the top part just comes out, and then you're gonna have the ability to remove the lid, let's say, which has, if you can see, let me see if you can just, yeah, we can do it. So we're gonna have an explosion of parts, but this is going to be the top part, and then you have the bottom part, and you can use this guy, but not using the full length like we did on the top, because it's not going to go through, just the short side, and just unscrew the bottom, so we can actually appreciate, like, in detail. Look at that. And this guy maybe doesn't want to pop out. Yeah, not a biggie, just stay there. It's a bearing. So I mean, guys, this is how this appears, and there's many pieces. Also here you can still see that there's no, just one. So maybe like just pushing this guy from this side. No. So I mean, look at this. This is really, really well made, and this chunk alone is just gorgeously done. Like the machining on this one, of course, you see 44 of 99, and the machining is just spectacular. Like literally spectacular. So we can just go ahead, and here you can see you have open and lock. R188 is the bearing. So if you forget which bearing you need, they write it there for you. So I mean, this I love like toys that you can disassemble, you can maintain, you can build, you can match. I mean, I like this aspect a lot, and this one is just creating this this special thing. It is indeed something special to be able to take this guy apart. They give you the key provided, like the tools to disassemble this. It's a toy, so you're supposed to play with it and have fun. And I have fun with these kind of toys because the way they look, the way they sound, and the way they feel. So I was saying before, I'm not a spinner guy because I mean, just a spinner usually just spins. But this one got me like from the visual point of view, because it's so gorgeous, it's so well designed. I like round things, and this is has that symmetric, asymmetrical aspect that I love. Like you see, there's three. It's just beautifully done. It looks great. It felt amazing the first time, but what really struck me about this piece was the sound. So check this out. You can spin the top, the lid, and you're gonna hear this noise. I'm holding this side, okay? So that's the sound you hear if you just spin the lid, all right? If you spin the lid first and then you spin the base, the bowl, let's say, after, in the same direction, you're gonna eliminate the sound of the lid. Hear this. How cool is that? It's pretty silent. Like vertically is, you can't, I mean, yeah, you can tell it, but it's really, really quite unobtrusive, fantastically smooth. So, I mean, you can do this and this, and you cannot erase the sound of the lid. You can do this, like spin in one way and give a spin in the other way, and you're gonna see that the base, the bowl, let's say, which is heavier, it's gonna start slowing down the lid because there's a little bit of inertia, a little bit of contact, and look at that, it spins, and boom, and gets it spinning the other way around. So just fantastic mechanics going on over here. The sound aspect is just amazing, like the fact that you can erase acoustically one sound with another spin. It's just gorgeous. Double bearings, double spinner, looks fantastic, feels great in the hand. These dimples are just gorgeous, and the curvature here, it's so sexy. Let me say that, it's sexy, guys. Curves, yeah, nailed it. And how you hold it like that, you can just spin it with one hand, you can spin it this way. I mean, feels check, sound check, look absolutely check. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.